Raising Russell by Valin. Essential question: what does it take to raise a prairie dog from infancy, and how does bonding affect domesticating an animal? What will I learn? From this amazing experience, I will learn how to care for a prairie dog and how to domesticate an animal. A challenge for me will be learning to adjust my schedule for my new baby, Russell. Materials. What will I need? A prairie dog bonding pouch, hay, prairie dog milk formula, and a prairie dog book. Motivation. My motivation for this project is animals. I love them. Plus, I'm also going to get a pet prairie dog anyways, so I might as well be an expert. Resources. My main resource throughout this whole project will be the breeder I bought Russell from down in Texas. Sharing. How will I share all the amazing things I'm learning with Russell? As soon as he arrives, I'm going to make him his own Instagram, and I'm also going to make a presentation.